Don't go. Are you gonna come in? Are you gonna come in? Hey? You skunks are so silly. Pushing each other around, eh? Is that what you're doing? Hey? Are you being silly? Just a minute. Oh, you're going pushing each other. Look at you. Just a second, I'll get you some more. It's okay, guys. Everybody, come on. Everybody be good. Here. Here. No, no, no. We don't have to fight. Come here, sweetheart. Come here. Come on. Oh, no. It's okay, applesauce. The skunkies are just worried about you, that's all. Okay? You have to try to come around the other way. Yeah. You have to try and come around the other way, sweetie. I wouldn't come right up behind them like that. That's probably not a good idea. Hey? No. Here's some more. That's okay. Here you go. Let me give you some more. I'll give you some more, sweetie. Okay? Come on, applesauce. That's my girl. Now, come on, guys. No fighting. Come on. It's okay, everybody. Everybody's okay. See? Look at that. There's even more. Applesauce. You should try to come around. You're making that little wee skunk nervous. Okay? Here we go. There's enough for everybody. See? You don't even have to have any fighting. There you go. Want some more? Here. There's some more for you. And applesauce, you come over here. You come over this way. Come on. It's a girl. Come on in. Come on. You're making the skunks all mad at you. Okay? Making the skunkies all mad. Yeah. You stay in here. Okay? That's my good girl. I'm making baby skunk nervous. Okay? There you go. There's some for you. Okay? I was going to get some chicken, but everybody was getting silly. Yeah. Were you getting silly? Yeah. Should I try and get you some chicken from the fridge? Maybe I will. Just a minute now, okay?